Welcome back to my channel. Today let's make this ring. You're free to use any color of bead that you'd like. You can play with the colors. The beads are size 10, so stay tuned. Okay, so start by picking 12 black beads. Pull them towards the end of your thread. Pass the needle back through the 12 beads. Remember, you're free to use any color that you like. It's not a must that you use black beads. So pass the needle through, and now I want you to tie a double knot. Make sure it's tight, and then you cut off the extra thread and you use your lighter to melt off the end. That's what you should be having. Now I want you to pass your needle through one bead. So that's what you should be having. Now pick 2 blue, 1 white, and 2 blue beads. Now skip one bead and pass the needle through the next. Make sure your thread is tight. Next, pick 2 blue, 1 white, and 2 blue. Skip one bead and pass the needle through the next. Pick 2 blue, 1 white, 2 blue, and you skip one bead and you pass the needle through the next. So this is just a repetition. You pick 2 blue, 1 white, and 2 blue, and also you'll just skip one bead and you'll pass the needle through the next. So I'll fast forward, see you at the end of the circle. So when you come to the end, you skip one bead as usual, and you pass your needle through the next bead as usual. So this is where your next bead should be. So pass your needle through it. So, and that's what you should be having. So next, now I want you to pass your needle through the 2 blue beads as shown in the video. So that's what you should be having. Now I want you to pick 3 blue beads and skip the white bead and pass your needle through the next blue bead. So we have a flower. We formed a flower. Next, I want you to pick 1 black bead and you pass the needle through the second blue bead, which is the topmost blue bead. So that's it. Now next, pick 3 blue beads just as you did in the first flower. So pick 3 blue beads, skip 1 white, and you pass the needle through the next blue bead. Now just as you did, you pick 1 black bead and you pass your needle through the uppermost blue bead, which is the second blue bead. Okay? Now it's just a repetition. Pick 3 blue beads, skip the white, and pass the needle through the next. Then the next one will just be black, and you do the same until you get to the end of your flower. Now pick 1 black bead as usual, and you pass your needle through the second and the third blue bead. So pass your needle through the 2 blue beads, and that's it. We're done with our flower. So now I want you to pass your needle through the middle blue bead, just like that. Now pick 3 black beads and you pass your needle back through the blue bead. Okay, now I want you to pass your needle through the 2 beads, but you have to turn your work. Now pass your needle through the 2 beads as shown in the video. Now pick 3 black beads and you pass your needle through the middle black bead. Now turn your work and you pass your needle through the 2 beads. So it's just a repetition. So do this until you get to your desired ring size. So pick 3 black beads and you will pass your needle through the middle black bead and you turn your work and pass your needle through the 2 black beads as shown in the video. So do this until you get to your desired. Now pick 1 black bead and you pass your needle through the blue bead. Yours should be looking like this. Next, you pick 1 black bead and you pass your needle through the black bead as shown in the video. So we are connecting the flower and the strap. So that's it. So now you just have to pass your needle through it to find a place where you're going to tie a knot and cut off the extra thread. So just pass your needle however you want. Always make sure that the thread is tight. And that's it.